Hi there, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren and I literally cannot believe we are already in pumpkin season. So to kick it off on the right foot, I'm going to be making and showing you how to make a very delicious pumpkin pie cocktail using our crema de pumpkin pie syrup. This syrup contains dairy, so it gives you a nice touch to whatever you put it in, whether it be a cocktail, coffee, or mocktail. It also gives you the flavor notes of the spices, the filling, the whipped cream, and the crust. So you get literally the whole pie when you use this syrup. So this is really easy. We just need 3 ingredients, and I'm gonna make this recipe for 2. So if you're making this just for yourself, just cut everything in half. So I'm gonna grab my shaker here, and we're going to add in 4 ounces of rum chata. I'm telling you, this is a little bit of a hefty cocktail, but it's absolutely delicious. Beautiful. And I'm also going to be adding in 4 ounces of vodka. Now that we have all of our spirits in the shaker, we're going to add in 3 pumps of our crema de pumpkin pie syrup. And next, let's just add some ice and give this a really good shake. All right, perfect. We're all shaken up, and we are just going to divide this into 2 glasses. All right, and we're going to add a nice finishing touch on this with a nice sprinkle of some freshly grated cinnamon. All right, there you have it, a very festive, very fall, very pumpkin-y cocktail. So cheers, let's give this a try. Wow, that is so good. It definitely has a kick to it, so drinking one of these, you're definitely gonna feel it. You can really taste like the creaminess from the syrup combined with the creaminess of the rum chata kind of makes this like almost like a boozy pumpkin milkshake or something. It is so delicious and such a great drink to kick off the fall with. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did and you gave it a try, let us know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any new recipes like this, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. You can follow us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time.